Metallic oxides of zinc, magnesium and copper were heated with the following metals. Zinc oxide was heated with zinc, magnesium, copper. Magnesium oxide was also heated with zinc, magnesium, copper. Copper oxide was heated with zinc, magnesium, copper. In which cases will you find displacement reactions taking place? Now, magnesium is more reactive than zinc and zinc is more reactive than copper. So when zinc oxide is heated with zinc, in this case no reaction takes place because oxide is of zinc and the metal is also zinc. But when zinc oxide is heated with magnesium, magnesium is more reactive than zinc. So magnesium will displace zinc from its oxide and it will form magnesium oxide and zinc metal will be formed. Similarly, when zinc oxide is made to react with copper, what happens? Zinc is more reactive than copper. So copper will not be able to displace zinc from its oxide, so no reaction takes place. Second case, magnesium oxide reacting with zinc. Again, magnesium is more reactive than zinc, so zinc will not be able to displace magnesium from its oxide. No reaction takes place. Magnesium oxide plus magnesium. So oxide is of magnesium, metal is also magnesium, no reaction. Magnesium oxide and copper. Copper is less reactive than magnesium, so copper will not be able to displace magnesium from its oxide. Next, copper oxide and zinc. Zinc is more reactive than copper, so zinc will displace copper from its oxide and it will form zinc oxide and copper metal. Then copper oxide and magnesium. Again, magnesium is more reactive than copper, so magnesium will displace copper from its oxide, forming magnesium oxide and copper metal. Then copper oxide with copper. Since oxide is of copper and metal is also copper, no reaction takes place. Which metals do not corrode easily? Gold and platinum are noble metals. They do not react. Their chemical reactivity is very less and they do not corrode easily. What are alloys? Alloys are homogeneous mixture of metal and non-metal or mixture of two metals. For example, brass. Brass is alloy of copper and zinc, and bronze. Bronze is alloy of copper and tin. And the properties of alloys are different from the individual metals. For example, the melting point of the alloys is less than the melting point of the pure metals. Then electrical conductivity of alloys will be less than the electrical conductivity of the pure metals from which they are formed.